Waiting on a burp. Look at the face. I just fed him. A little cute camo. The little cute camo outfit. I don't need to pet him. Are you gonna give Mama a burp? Well, we're gonna wait and see. I could pull him down some because his head is over the top, but he seems pretty comfortable. If he's not comfortable, he will move around. But he just ate twice. Sometimes it takes a decade to feed him. But if he doesn't burp in a reasonable time, of course I will cut the video. But as you can see, this is another, a good position too for if he's gassy. I know I usually flip him over if I feel like, because one time I felt like he was gassy. I was eating like green smoothie blend. So I had that in the morning for breakfast with whatever it was that I was eating. And I see him like not straining to poop, but he wasn't crying normally. So sometimes you can feel their belly too, like it'll be kind of hard, and it's like, oh no. So you flip them over, put them on the back, and take the legs, lift them up. Of course, they bend like little froggy legs because they still think they're in the womb. So yes, just bend them up, and I kind of do like bend them up, back and forth basically. So bend them up, straighten them out. Bend them up, straighten them out. I do that for a little bit. Then what's another one I like to do? Oh boy, it's another one and I cannot think of it. Shh. I had it, but I lost my train of thought because they want to fight. But I like to do that one a lot, and then once I bend his legs up, like the heels of his feet will be touching, and his legs would be out, kind of like a diamond shape, and he'll just let it rip. So that's a great position for gas. Sometimes I just rub on his belly, or even sitting him up, as if he's sitting up by himself. But I kind of hold the belly, don't push on the belly, just hold him, and he just lets it rip, right, fatty waddy. But as you can see, he's really relaxed, and he loves his mama. But he doesn't want to burp right now, so thank you guys for watching, and we will be back with another video, of course. Keep this thing going. Thanks for all the love and support. We really appreciate you guys. See you next time.